getting on the highway now. So you can see highway speeds. It's 70 miles per hour. We are at, oh, by the way, cruise control. We do have it, so I'll show you how it works. So it's on, set. I have it set at 70. You can see my feet are off the gas. Still going up to 70, 72. At 2,300 RPM. Does highway speeds just fine. As I go faster, you gotta click that to go faster. Go to 80. Again, feet are still off the accelerator. So you see cruise works. At 80, you're only at 2,600 RPM. So, gearing is good. If you want to see your speed past 85, I want to say that the Scan Master does show that speed. 79, so we'll go past 85. At 85, this starts blinking. So as you can see, we're blinking right now. Scan Master does show your speeds past 85, so you can still have a good gauge if you're driving for some reason past 85 at the drag strip. You still